Hi, boys and girls. We're correcting week 6 of weekly language reviews. Starting on day 1, you should be correcting in a red pen, and if you get the question right, put a star. If you get it wrong, please fix it with the right answer. A command sentence is a bossy sentence. Bubble the command sentence. So it gives you a command. A command is also called imperative. The test will be Friday. Is that being bossy? No. What will we name it? Is that being bossy? No. It also ends with a question mark. Make me a sandwich. Is that being bossy? Yes, that's our command sentence. Next one. Circle the plural nouns. Plural means more than one. Nouns are people, places, things, or ideas. Glove. Is that more than one? No. Bubbles. Is that more than one? Yes. ES at the end. Grapes. Is that more than one? Yep. Garden. Is that more than one? No. Glass. Is that more than one? No. Feet. Is that more than one? Yes. Mice. Is that more than one? Yes. Feathers. Is that more than one? Yes. Those are the plural nouns. Make sure you have them circled. Remember, you're starring it if you get it right. Write P for present, F for future, PT for past tense. Hippos soaked in the river. Well, I see the verb is soaked and it has an ED ending. ED ending means it already happened, so it should be past tense. The hippo will sleep. Will is our key word here. Means it hasn't happened yet, so it is future. They are eating the grass. That ing gives me the clue here, and it is present. It's happening right now. They are eating the grass. Next one. Replace the underlined word with the correct verb. Haley be the best artist in our class. B is wrong. Should be Haley is the best artist in our class. Is you going to practice tonight? Is wrong. Should be are you going to practice tonight? Make sure your R has a capital A because it's the start of a sentence. Day 2. Underline the complete predicate. That means all the parts of the predicate. The predicate is not the subject. The subject is the who or what of the subject or the sentence. The predicate is what that subject does. The wide receiver caught a spectacular catch. Well, who's this sentence about? The sentence is about the wide receiver. That's the subject. Caught a spectacular catch is the complete predicate. The predicate usually starts with a verb. Add punctuation to make the sentence correct. Andrew Luck said, "I'm excited to be a Colts quarterback." So this is somebody saying something out loud, and when people talk, we need to put quotation marks around it. So Andrew Luck said, you'll need a comma after said, then a quotation mark around I'm, and then another quotation mark curved in towards the words after quarterback, really after the period. What is the meaning of the underlined word? The ball compressed to a flat pancake after it was pierced. Compressed means to squish down or go down in size. So squish down. Circle the pronoun that should replace the underlined word. The girls loved cheering for their brother as he ran for a touchdown. He loved cheering. Is he the same as the girls? No. Them loved cheering. Well, that's plural, but that doesn't make sense. They loved cheering for their brother. Yes. We loved cheering. Well, we and the girls are different things. It doesn't say you're one of them. So it should be they, and it should really be capitalized. Next day, day 3. Underline the complete subject. That's the who or what of the sentence. The lazy hippo soaked in the pond all afternoon. The who or what of the sentence is the lazy hippo. Complete the analogy. You can see that there's some colons here. We'll write what those mean. Camera is to lens as computer is to what? So a camera has a lens on it, as a computer has a what on it? Well, camera is like the device. Lens is that part on the front of it where you can, see the picture through. So computer, I would say, is to screen. Circle the proper nouns in the sentence below. Proper nouns are specific nouns. They're always capitalized. They're usually names of places, people, or things. Reggie Miller was a basketball player for the Indianapolis Pacers. Reggie is a proper noun. Miller is a proper noun. Indianapolis is a proper noun. Pacers is a proper noun. You can see that they're all capitalized. What is the meaning of the underlined word? That new shirt was expensive. Expensive means costs a lot or worth a lot. Means that it's not cheap, opposite of cheap. Put the following words in alphabetical order. So that's ABC order. Happy, honey, hippo, hunt. Well, they all start with H, so that doesn't help us much. So now we have to look at the second letter. The second letter of this one is A, O, I, U. Well, they're all different, so that's super helpful. Now I have to go in ABC order. I'm thinking of the alphabet. What letter comes first? A, O, I, or U? A does. So happy would be first. The next one, I need to look at O, I, or U. Which letter comes next? I does. So hippo would come next. Now I'm between O and U. Which letter comes next? O. So honey would come third. And last would be hunt. Next one, circle the two guide words that would be at the top of the dictionary page for the word compressed. So I see it starts with C. All of these options start with a C, so that C won't help. I need to look at the O now. Does A and A mean that O would fit between that? No way. O comes after A. E and E, can an O fit between that? No, O comes way later. O and O, probably. Let's look at the next letters. M, P. This is an F and this one's a P, so yes, C would work. Bubble if the word is a verb, adjective, or adverb. Receiving. This word, if you were saying like I'm receiving phone calls, means you're getting phone calls. It is a verb. Write F for fragment, S for sentence. Remember, to be a sentence, it needs to have a subject and a predicate. The green slimy frog. That's a fragment. It's missing a predicate. It has the subject here, but no predicate. Didn't tell us what it did. He slept. Well, it has a subject and it has a predicate. It's short, but it is a sentence. They swam in the pool. It has a subject, they. It says what they did. They swam in the pool, so this is a sentence. Soaked in the cool river. Well, it says what happened, but it doesn't tell us who it happened to or what it happened to. So this is a fragment. It's missing the subject. All right, I'm going to zoom out. Make sure you have all your corrections done. You have your stars or your fixes. Then submit this to Schoology as weekly language review number 6.